Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Oh shit! You fucking idiots!
And the drugs. Don't make it so obvious. So you do have drugs. Put her there. God, you idiot. Do it, Charlie.
Shit.
Play the great lottery of life. Come on, Charlie. Enjoy it. Open it up, my boy. Oh.
Oh shit! Wow, oh my god. Oh my god.
Fuck! Fuck! Of a student's new life as an IT professional, and completion of your student journey is focused on results. Getting into life. And right here. Not this one, the next one. Yep. And then you go in.
Right here?
Yep. You okay?
Oh.
Alright, hold on. It's okay.
Alright, so the guy in front of me is completely wasted. I've already called it into the Illinois State Police. Trying to maintain a safe distance here. Oh god! Oh my 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 god! Oh, I called into the state police already. That this guy was just wasted driving down the highway, like.
I literally just got cut off, and I had to get like side someone, so that's why I was there. And then I guess I literally just left.
Yeah, I've already called it in. Like they're on their way. Like, yeah, this guy, like I've been following him for like 5 miles. He was going in and out, like not even using like turn signals or anything. Yeah, this guy was. Yeah, it's not good.
Make sure they're fine.
Lucky man.
Yeah, no, he was actually completely wasted. I was following him for the past like 5 miles. I called it into the Illinois State Police. He was like.
What happened? Drunk? He did one.
No. He was like weaving like back and forth.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What the heck? No! Are you guys okay? No, don't get out.
Oh fuck! What the fuck was that guy doing? Jesus Christ.
It's not legal. So they're going to get into some serious trouble. That's not right to shoot, kill an animal while it's in hibernation. It's sleeping. It's how you know enjoy its weekend. Right. No, it's better. Why don't we just trick it with some food? Let it come out here in plain sight when, you know, like, no, I'm your friend. Why don't we fake call that I'm one of you, right? That's definitely a little bit better. The track of the circle level, that means...
What you call big drug?
shit, man.